Want an easier way to control your Hue lights? The Philips Hue Dimmer Switch lets you dim, brighten, and switch scenes instantly. What's in the box? Inside the box, you will find the Philips Hue Dimmer Switch, wall plate, user manual. Product overview. Installation. Choose a location for the dimmer switch. Attach the mounting plate to the wall using the provided adhesive or suitable screws, if preferred. Snap the dimmer switch onto the mounting plate until it clicks securely into place. The switch can also be removed anytime for use as a handheld remote. How to pair. Download and install the Hue app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app, tap the three-dot menu on the home screen, and select Add Devices. Choose the room where you want to add the dimmer switch, then scan the QR code on the switch or enter its serial number if a QR code isn't available. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete pairing, assign the switch to your lights, and customize its button functions. Hold the dimmer switch up to the light you want to control. Stay within 6 inches of the light. Press and hold the on-off button for 3 seconds until the green light starts to blink. Repeat to pair the dimmer switch with up to 10 bulbs. If you want to disconnect a dimmer switch from a light, press and hold the Hue button for 10 seconds until the light blinks. App functions. Customize button actions. Manage light scenes. Room and zone assignment. Smart on button. Time-based lighting. Smart features. Turn lights on or off, adjust brightness, and switch between preset or custom lighting scenes with a simple button press. Automatically provides the ideal brightness and color temperature throughout the day for a more natural lighting experience. Control your Hue lights without using a smartphone, making it easy for everyone to operate the lighting. Control a specific room, multiple rooms, or an entire zone by assigning the switch through the Philips Hue app. Mount the switch almost anywhere with the included wall plate, or use it as a portable magnetic remote. Specifications. Frequently asked questions. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. See you in the next one.